So finally, if you want to experience latest Android 16's material expressive UI on your Android devices with the help of root, you can do that. This is a GSI which I have installed on my device. This is Android 16 latest QPR 2 based GSI which you can give it a try. And by the way, this is AOSP one. So obviously you will see the default wallpaper and icons and different kind of things. The main highlight of using the latest Android 16 QPR1, as many users were looking forward to, is regarding the new quick settings panel. You can definitely compare it if you're a custom ROM user, if you're using any other custom ROM which brings you this kind of quick settings panel. You can definitely compare it right now by using it, and which are the differences you will feel. The difference between the blur and many more things is actually visible. If you see the app drawer, obviously it's AOSP, so the colors and icons and so on are different thing. But definitely, if you, as it's a GSI, so cannot be used as a daily driver, but still not a bad thing. One more thing is, if you're able to notice, we have a new widget picker UI. In case you missed my all the Android 16 QPR update videos, this is the thing which we have. Again, I'm mentioning you, this is a GSI, so cannot be used as a daily driver. But if you just want to experience material expressive UI, you can do that. Also, we have a new wallpapers and style UI available there. We have icon shape options there. You can change the wallpaper colors and obviously some more things too. Same goes with the lock screen. We have the default clock styles available there, which actually does not have clock styles because it's QPR2 beta 3. Has some bugs in even Pixel devices got that. But the default clock now can be customizable. This is the new UI. For example, if you're a Poco F5 user, for example, if you're using Poco F3, Mi 11X, Redmi K70, or whatever device you're using, if your device is rooted, if your device has a dynamic partition, you can definitely check this out. I made a video how you can install some GSIs on a device even without data wipe. I'm talking about DSU side loader. You can do that. You can install this thing from that method, and how to install this thing. As I just told you, I made a separate video how you can install that. So the video link is there in the description. But if you want to know more about this one, you have to install this thing. It's not 100% guaranteed that it will work for you, but it's a very good thing. So if you want to experience these kind of things right now, the latest Android 16 QPR2 GSI, which brings you material expressive UI and so on, as this is not officially available yet as a custom ROM, but it's available as a GSI. So in case you want to give it a try, you can. These were the things just wanted to let you know. Hope you like this video. If you like this, make sure to drop a like, and also if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next one. Take